Posters on the wall, we play with the ones that the teacher when they call. We would stare at each other.
Good morning. You're watching is my rambling of manufacturing industries, grade 10, episode number 7, episode 11. Today's episode 76. We are really close to the end of the lesson, so I'm only at the fourth industry, the electronic industry. So we are now at unit number 5. Halfway done of episode. So we're already at page 103, renminbi. So we're gonna be so close to finishing this entire episode. So I think we should be at page 104 and we should do all together. So page 104 and then they're gonna be important. So yeah, let's get to the video and I'll talk about it even more. Let's go. Here we are. Let's go. Okay, so in my previous cutscene, I already explained it to you that episode 74 will be done today. Yes, it will be done. So today is Episode 76. My rambling about episode 76, and today is going to be 333rd part. Time for my rambling, of course. Of course. Grade 10 rambling. This is a grade 10 rambling. Okay, now we get to the part where I start questioning myself, is this doing right or not? There are so many problems that could go with this, go wrong with this. So now we're getting over to the part where I completely malfunction myself. Like a robot. Like a robot. Okay, shut up my mouth. I'm trying to go to the lesson. Episode 333 of the whole grade 6 to 11. So the belief that part 552, nope. I think it is part 554. Iron radio camera TV, I think it regarded. Table 5.4 production and trade in electronic equipment in Euro millions. Yup, Euro millions. Whoa, where did we get this website? 28 to 2013. अब මේ chart එක බලපුවාම 2013 වැඩි 2008 යුරෝපය 2013 නෝර්ත් ඇමරිකාව 2008 ජපානය 2013 චයිනා වල 2013 other Asia Pacific countries වල 2013 other countries වල 2013 තමයි තියෙන්නේ වැඩි භාගයක් ටික ඔක්කොම වැඩි භාගයක් ටික ඔක්කොම තියෙන්නේ 2013 අඩි එක country එකක් හැරෙන අඩි ඔක්කොම 2013 තියෙන්නේ China. Note: China has emerged as a powerful country in the Asian region in the field of electronic industry. With the period of 2008 to 2010, the income of China has risen from RMB billion 604 to RMB billion 6362 with the continuous development of the electronic industry during this period. In addition to the information given above, a further study of Chinese electronic industry would show the direction of the world electronic industry. Table 5.5 shows the value in production of the various electronic appliances that China has earned in the year 2009. Graph 5.5, the growth in the income of China in the production of electronic products 2000 to 2010, which means in 2010 that would have been at 5131 as we're talking about. RMB, renminbi. RMB is official currency used in official activities in China. Well, RMB equals renminbi. I learned this in my Chinese course of whether my learning experience was good or not in my academic experience, but who cares? Table 5.5 contribution of China to the production of electronic subparts in the world 2009. Laser disc player 85%, digital cameras 80%, computer component set 60.9%, mobile phones 49.9%, and color TV components as 48.3%. Okay, adapter from HD www.hkdtc.com 2014. Well, okay. Summary title to summarize it all up. Other part of it සාරාංශය ලියාගෙන බටරල් තේරේ සාරාංශය. කිට් සටහන් ලියාගෙන ඔක්කොම බබේ කිට් සටහන් ලිග සටහන් දුරට කිට් සටහන් ලියාගෙන ඔයාලා by studying this part you will be able to identify more about the electronic industry. Electronic industry එක පිළිබඳ කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Trivia title learn more. ඔයාලට මම සාමාන්‍යයෙන් trivia එක දෙන්න. Do you know is that there are few new trends about the electronic industry. ඒවා ඔක්කොම අපි 12 කොටසදී කතා කරනවා. Large amount of capital, ඒවා ඔක්කොම large amount of capital, research continues till the final product is out. workers ඔක්කොම ගන්න. ඔය වගේ තමයි ඔක්කොම දේවල් කතා කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Problems and trends කියන එකක් තියෙනවා අපිට කතා කරන්න. Question title ask some questions. Question එක. Question number 76 of 146. Well, too bad for us because we're already moving so fast. Name the country which has a higher growth in electronic industry. Well, electronic industry එක අතින් වැඩිම growth එක තියෙන country එක මොකක්ද කියලා ප්‍රශ්නයට අදාළ නිසි පිළිතුර 74 කොටසදී කියන්න. So do write your answer in your geography exercise book. Answer and make episode 77 of Future Industry Ultimate World. Desolate Fragments of Future Industry Ultimate World. The fourth memory fragment is achieved. So now we are on to the we are now on 7 memory. We should be at around like 17 memory. At least we should be at manufacturing industries episode 17 by the end of this day. So yeah, we're gonna be going so far. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I mean, if you have if you have questions to ask, now it's time to ask. I mean whether we are done or not. Okay, I'm gonna show you how part 12 is gonna come. It's already been like 6 minutes or so. 6 minutes after the recording. I mean 6 minutes video. Yeah, my father's speaking a lot. You speak a lot. Speak a lot, by the way. By the way, did you prepare the table that I was given to you as a homework? Whether that would be coming from the literal yellow peas, chickpeas. I need chickpeas. Okay. Chick chuck. Of course. Now it's time for me to summarize what I learned today. I mean, we previously reached page 100 and now I'm at page 104. 4 pages ahead in time, and now I'm currently at risk. Then a risk to reward ratio එකක් තියෙනවා. Table 5.5 සටහන features and trends activity assignment සටහන මං හිතන්නේ සටහන features and trends activity assignment ඒක දෙන 12 වෙනි කොටසට 13 වෙනි කොටසදී cotton textile industry එක පටන් ගන්නවා. අද නම් 17 වෙනි කොටසට යනකම්ම මේක අදගෙන යනවා. පිටු අංක 113 වෙනකම් මම මේ පාඩම අද ඉවර කරනවා. එහෙනම් අපි පිටු අංක 113න් at the end of the day, I'm gonna be doing episode up to page 112, and then I'm gonna be done with episode like how much? Episode 16. Well, all 17 of the manufacturing industries, all 17 parts of manufacturing industries will be done, and then I can go to Sri Lankan industries in the third term. Finally, we need that scholar speed. We need the speed of the school. We need the speed. So we need to go fast. So let's get faster before the term test. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this episode. You like these videos next. So yeah. Now I have to look at which activity is supposed to. Cotton textile features and trends map. Cotton textile industry is the shortest one. Map features and trends with the problems stick ඊට පස්සේ අදාළ සියලුම දේවල් අවසන් කරනවා. අපි නම් චුට්ටක් දුර ඉන්නේ. We're like 8 pages behind on finishing this lesson. We should be at unit 6 anytime soon. We must be at unit 6. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day. Goodbye guys. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and if you like, please continue to support us by following through our links and video descriptions, and also make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications. Next episode, we're definitely going to be discussing more about this lesson in detail. We're doing features and trends of the electronic industry and do every single assignment and activity related to electronic industry before I move on to the cotton textile industry. Okay, so thank you so much, and we'll see you next time on the activities and assignment of activity kiyada kiyala balanna ඕනේ. දැන් බලන්න ඕනේ activity kiyada කියලා. Let's check. And steel industry, that's the first activity. 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.4, 5.1, 5.1, 5, 5.6, 5.2, 5.7, 5.3. Assignment 5.7 එකයි 5.3 එකයි දෙකම දෙනවා. Assignment 5.3 එකයි activity 5.7 එකයි දෙකම දෙනවා. ඔයාලට ඒව සම්පූර්ණ කරන්න හෙට මම ඒවා homework එකක් විදිහට දෙනවා. ඒ ටික සම්පූර්ණ කරගෙන 13 වෙනි කොටසේ එන්න ඕනේ. හරි එහෙනම් ගිහිල්ලා එන්න.